Hello everyone, welcome to another CFD course from FluidXAV. In this tutorial, we will simulate the cooling of a CPU using Ansys Workbench and ANSYS Fluent. This is a typical electronics cooling problem. A CPU generates heat, an aluminum heatsink with fins is mounted on top, and air is forced through the fins by a fan to remove the heat. Heat is generated inside the CPU as a uniform volumetric heat source. The heat is conducted through the CPU and the heatsink and then transferred to the air by convection. This makes the problem a conjugate heat transfer simulation where solid and fluid regions are solved together. To reduce the computational cost, we will use geometrical symmetry and simulate only the smallest repeating unit of the heatsink and air channel. As you can see, this is a schematic of our geometry. We will model a small part of these fins and the CPU, and then actually we will reduce the computational cost by doing so. Actually, this course is divided into 4 parts, all handled inside the Ansys Workbench. The first part, as you can see here, it's a geometry generation inside the SpaceClaim. As you can see, there are all details in this picture. So we will simulate a small part of this CPU, aluminum fins, and the air coming through this region. So as you can see here, this is our CPU, and this is aluminum fins, and this is our fluid dummies. So after this part, we will go to our mesh generation software, ANSYS Meshing, and we will generate a structural mesh for CPU, aluminum fins, and our dummy. And in the third part of the video, we go through the Fluent to set up and do our solution. And then finally, we will go through for the post-processing and result analysis inside the Ansys Fluent. In the post-processing part, we will visualize temperature distribution and flow fields, calculate the average CPU temperature and outlet air temperature, and study the effects of mesh refinement. We can also study the effects of numerical schemes, fan speed, and material properties on cooling performance. So that is the overview of the problem and the workflow for this course. In the next video, we will start with geometry generation inside a SpaceClaim, where we will build the CPU, heatsink, and the air domain step by step based on the problem dimensions. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.